Tashlikh is this wonderful, wonderful thing where you're able to rid yourself of all what I call the bad vugum that you've kind of picked up and put on your back over the last year. It's kind of a conclusion for you. It's your ability to say, I want to move on. I want to move on, and I'm going to spend one more final moment thinking about this, and then I'm going to cast it off and move on. So the way this is done is we're going to pass off some bread. And the idea is that you take a piece of bread. You can take a big piece if you want, but it can be a small piece as well. And you kind of stare at that bread. You walk down to the ocean. You stare at that bread, and you like empower that bread as a safe, as a vault, as whatever you want to call it, with all that stuff that's been monkeys on your back, that stuff that you've had in the last year, it could be, and then I'm going to cast it off and move on. Oh yeah! Yeah! Follow these guys down to the beach,
Thank you.